Alright, welcome everyone. We are doing box number 1 of the mystery box. We probably paid what?
About 20 bucks probably.
About 20 bucks for this box.
I already see a lot of good stuff we can use for the house.
These are just random things.
Oh.
A big bag of balloons.
We got some balloons right here, guys. What's that right there?
It's a balloon pumper upper.
Oh, we got a balloon pumper upper for the balloons we just picked up right here.
Some kind of hook setup. Some kind of connector pieces. We got some teeth in her, white teeth in her pressed.
Nice, nice.
And we've got a soap dispenser. Some little snack cups. There's some kind of hair detangler. Let me also open that up and see what that is. Here's a little purse wallet. We've got some light bulbs.
Alright, we got this right here. Pretty cool.
Bunch more balloons.
Bunch more balloons right here.
Some kind of towel or blanket of some sort.
Some type of towel or blanket.
A nice laptop cover.
Oh, look at this nice laptop cover with the keyboard cover on it. Pretty nice, actually.
We got some plates and napkins.
Plates and napkins for someone who's turning 40 years old.
Birthday banner, maybe.
A birthday banner, maybe.
Some kind of adapter.
Some type of computer adapter. Pretty neat.
Hair clips.
Some hair clips.
Don't know.
We're not real sure what this one is yet. Not sure what this one is either. We'll have to open it up later. This is a knob right here for like it's hardware.
Some kind of case or something.
This is some type of case, so maybe like
Another
a tablet or something. Another case right here. It's a see-through one.
It's like a watch.
Like a watch band for like a smart watch right here. We got a USB Type C adapter piece right here. We got some more HDMI cable cords, the 8K.
Tablet.
A tablet case right here we got.
Some feathers.
Some feathers right here.
This is a compass, maybe a bike compass.
Maybe like a bike compass we got here. Pretty neat actually, if you ride some bikes.
Don't know what this is.
Not sure what this is right here. A rubber vent cover is what it is. This is a gun holder right here.
This is an I Love Taylor flag.
This is an I Love Taylor flag.
More light bulbs.
Some more LED light bulbs.
Some kind of, I don't know.
Some type of like decoration thing. I think it's missing a lot of the pieces to it.
Little cute little squish things. Maybe for the, like little prizes.
Yeah.
Oh, dino hatching soon. Decor.
Yeah.
Not sure what this is.
Like some type of vase you put stuff in. We got like a power bank here. Looks like we got 2 of them right here. Pretty neat. Some type of glass cup we got. Pretty neat little cup. We got a wristband watch. A super long power cord for your phone. And then we got a magic doodle thing. Toy. Oh, this would be a perfect Christmas gift for someone. Alright, that's it, guys. Do you guys think it's worth 20 bucks in the comments? Leave it in the comment, say yes or no.